I tried to repair washing machine drying section, but we tried some point some big problem in here. So not this area, in here. Okay. That one is drying area is not rotating properly. So okay, this is shadow. So this is not properly rotating. Let me increase brightness. So this is not rotate, maybe drying properly. So sometimes it's not rotate, not even rotating. So I tried to find out why it's working like that. So for that I'm going to remove it. So this is a washing machine. So I'm going to remove the back area and find out what's the problem it is exactly. So let me see how it is going to be done. While I'm removing, I'm going to clean the dust, everything. Not a dust, I don't know, the watermark something. So those watermark, everything I try to clean it like a new. And here this also I'm going to use it that thinner. So let's see what's the problem. And I'm going to find it. Why it's not rotating properly. So like that, and let's see what are the other things. So in here, watermark, let's see, not a watermark, it's a damage in here. So I'm going to use it, this paint called anti-cross. There's a brand, the washing machine brand called National. So we use it more than, so far, it's more than 10 years. We are using this one, got it from like a gift from Mummy. So I don't know his name really. His name is called Mummy. It's not even our relative. So everybody called her. His name is Mummy. Mummy Deda. So this in here I'm going to use a anti-cross for black color. And this one also is not properly not working. Yeah. So we had to make it some kind of so otherwise it's going to be a problem here. Easy. So I'm going to find out why it's do like that. No, is it a little bit tight? This in here it's not tight. So I am going to find try to repair this one and why it's not rotating properly. So I can, I try to, before I try to turn it on and try to show it to what's the exact problem it is. So unfortunately I had to close this one and this one. Then only it's rotating. So there's no point I'm going to make it turn on so it's like that. So first of all I'm going I'm going to remove this cover and this cover, and after that I'm going to manually maybe insert in here, maybe manually one button. Because of that, after closing only is working. For that one, I'm going to manually press a button and I'm going to check it out why is what's the exact problem. Just make it clear. And this one is a separate chain cable from this area, drying area. There's another motor, but it's a separate one. Why even is a separate motor? Why it's rotated not properly? So I don't know. I had to find out. So I thought it's inside maybe cockroach and other bugs, but there are no any cockroach or bugs or anything. For that one, I don't like cockroach, so I'm not afraid, but I don't like it. So let's see. After removing some other parts also, let's see what's the problem it is. I think this one is a water. Yeah, this one is a water. And where's a drainage? Yeah, that one is. Yeah, that one. Let's see.
Over you by Arch. by Aj.
Look at that. This one broke. This one broke. That's why it's getting problem. This one broke. Okay, I found something here. I just make it a short to here. So make it like that. So I'm going to find it. This one also in here. This one attached to in here. This line. So maybe somewhere in here. Find out something interesting. This one attached to directly to that motor. So that little bit adjusting something I can't remove it. So I'm not sure I can able to remove all the parts. So that's a little bit complicated for me. So I already attached this one using this small wire, piece of wire. So I'm going to asking the help from Munawar. Maybe I'll do it. Give me that one. Okay, give me that one. And I'm going to turn it on. So it's already on and here. Okay. Because of this, it's rotating. Okay. I think this one is causing the problem. So don't touch it. Don't touch it. This one causing the problem. So I have to properly attach it. Let me find a way to adjust this one. Why is this one getting problem? This one because of here. This one broke, no? This one after broke this one, this piece of this is going to be a problem. So I need to find a way to lift that one a little bit higher than this. So I need to find a way to do it. Let me think about few ideas. After I'll do something about it.
Overused by Aj.
Alright. நல்லா நினைச்சுக்குவா post பண்ணியா நீங்க கொஞ்சம் போறியா
Overused by Aj.
கொஞ்சம் போட்டா கையை போட வேணாம் கையை போட்டு
Overused by Aj.
थोड़ी जोती ना जाए वाला ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೂರು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ತೇಪಡಿ ಈ ಸರಿಯೇ ಕಾರ್ಬಾರ ಇದು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಬೇರೆ ತೇಪಡಿ ನೋಡಿ தண்ணி போல எல்லாம் வெச்சு
Overused by Aj.